So today we got this wood planer that is really going to be coming handy here in my shop. So we use this a lot as a woodworker. Like we do doors, cabinets and everything, and we use the old fashioned. We like it a lot. But this is going to change everything because this is battery. It comes with a charger, instructions, a dust bag. The other thing, it has an adapter here so you can put a vacuum if you want to. This is a guide for when you're planing doors. You can move it, slide it sideways with the different thicknesses. Usually sometimes we take it out because we just free swing, but for people that don't know how to use it, use the guard, safer for you. The other thing, it has different adjustments here in extra for the height. It has a butterfly twist that you could screw on in here on the side. This is some extra stuff that it comes with. They give you an Allen wrench and they give you 2 extra blades. So the Allen wrench is to take out the blades. That's the reason it comes with the Allen wrench. And the other thing I like, it comes with a hard case. You can put it when you go to the job site. A lot of the times we go to the job sites and when the power goes out, we're stuck. So that's the reason we got this one, because it's a battery. You can check the power of the battery. It not only has 2, but for the test, that's all we need. And it comes with the power box. The other thing, for people that don't know how to use it, it has instructions, but this is for the height of the blade. Basically, it tells you how much you're gonna take out. So if you don't know how to use it, read the instructions. So the other thing, it has a safety button on the side. So when you press on it, if you press, it won't work. You gotta press on it. Do a little bit with the raise up, and then one where it takes a lot more. As you see here, it shaped it. Now I'm gonna take a little bit more on this one. As you see, you can see the step here. As here, it went smooth. As a woodworker, this is one of the tools that I like because if you gotta run far for an extension to connect it, by the time you get it, this is a perfect tool to use. You don't have to worry about all those connections.